And again, we've issued that weather alert day for tomorrow with not only the cold air settling back in, we also have a shot of picking up some accumulating snow later on tonight. But really, since midnight, we've been in free fall with some of these temperatures. We started out around the 40s. We're all the way down into the teens. That's kind of a sign of the stage getting set as we get into this morning, right on into this afternoon. And then just got to wait on this to pack up and get out of the Rockies and head our direction as we get into tonight. Here's the latest look at future track as we go forward, and brings that system onto our western doorstep by about 5 and 6 o'clock. We're thinking, though, that snow is probably going to lose the battle to some dry air until about 9 or 10. Should overcome some of that along and south of I-70, and then it's going to stay with us as we get into the early morning hours on Thursday. Again, notice never really makes it too far to the north, so folks like Moberly back toward Paris, getting into Macon, could largely get missed by this system. Not expecting anything in terms of impacts other than the cold weather with this latest round. But it's in and out of here by midday. I think we might hang on to a lingering flurry or two, but again, inconsequential by tomorrow. Looking at Snow Tracker, and totals have come down just a touch here. We always kind of thought we'd be in the 1 to 2 inch margin, and still thinking there's going to be a stripe of that somewhere. That has come down a little further to the south. So that's really about the only difference between yesterday and today, at least looking at some of that model data this morning. Looks like between about I-70 and Highway 50 could be expecting some of these highest totals as we get into tomorrow. And it's going to be that dry snow, something we don't typically see. Not exactly great for snowballs. It is easier to shovel off those driveways or off the car, whatever you need to move it off of, but that means it also blows around a little bit more, so visibility likely going to be an issue tomorrow. This is also going to be an issue. Not only the slippery roadways, the poor visibility, it is just going to be doggone cold as we get into the overnight hours tonight into tomorrow morning, likely below freezing with that wind chill by the afternoon. Not expecting a whole lot of relief. We may get on the right side of zero, but not by a whole lot as we go throughout the day on Thursday. So expect that light breeze to keep up, and with temperatures in the teens, it doesn't take much to knock that wind chill back to around the 0 degree mark. So it's going to be dangerously cold if you're out there for anything more than 30 minutes. Could be slippery, especially that Thursday morning commute. We're going to have to watch those roadways carefully, as cold as it's going to get tonight, but we're going to start to slowly but surely dig our way out of it by Friday in the 20s and the 40s by Saturday.